Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make all Facebook posts private on your iPhone or Android. So open your Facebook. So this method will be work any Android and iOS. In the same process, open your Facebook. Click on to menu option or three line. Then you get settings and privacy option. Press on. Go to settings. Scroll down. As you can see, showing it to activity lock. Press on. Click on this arrow option, your Facebook activity. Then you get two different way. I'm just select manage post option. Click on to filter. I'm select category all and date all. Okay. Your post, photo and video. Okay. Showing it to my all post, photo or video. Select all. Press on three dot. Then I'm get change audience option. Press on and finally click on to only me. When you select only me, then your all Facebook post is private.